let's get back to our accounting Excel. Here I'm creating a conditional format for the payment amount and the withdrawal bank selection. In the formula, I refer to the first cell of the invoice number. Remember F4 to unlock the row so that when you scroll, the format can be applied to the whole column. Whenever the invoice number is not a dash, we make it green. Now we highlight the area that the format applies. For the payment date, I set it to be the same as the invoice date on purpose so that we can skip some steps in the future. I think I need to make the payment amount green as well because it's an entry field. So let me refer to the amount and withdrawal bank column in the conditional format we've just created. If you don't make payment on the invoice date, you can just leave them blank.